The mesa was like a ship becalmed in a strait of lion-colored dust. The channel wound between precipitous banks and slanting from one wall to the other across the valley ran a streak of green, the river and its fields. On the prow of that stone ship in the center of the strait, and seemingly a part of it, a shaped and geometrical outcrop of the naked rock stood the pueblo of Malpais. Block above block, each story smaller than the one below. The tall houses rose like stepped and amputated pyramids into the blue sky. At their feet lay a straggle of low buildings, a crisscross of walls, and on three sides of precipice fell sheer into the plain. A few columns of smoke mounted perpendicularly into the windless air and were lost.
Hey guys, my name is Josh and this is a live report from the New Mexico Reservoir. I sit here behind a tree and I hope nobody can see me. And something happens. And now I try to contact them. Slowly, slowly. Excuse me? Stop! Stop! Don't be afraid! Sorry? I have some question. Oh. Yes. Okay. What kind of dance was it?
It was our fertility dance.
Uh-huh. And what is the effect of this special dance?
We become animated to sexual activities.
Yes, and now you have to go because we carry out a ritual, and yes, you can stay here.
I don't go. It is much too interesting. Oh, shit. It's time to run! Hello! Hi! No! Game over.